Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Good afternoon. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday, yes, it's weekend, Saturday, Sunday, April the 6th, April the 7th, 2024, we have here in this newspaper, daily newspaper here, let me zoom this in, April the 6th, two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Quintuplet. The Quintuplet I will do this tomorrow evening, Sunday evening. In a minute I will do the Medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper we have also a puzzle page. Saturday, April the 6th. Here in the puzzle page we have 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, and 1 tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow afternoon, yes, we have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening tomorrow I will do the samurai Sudoku. Yeah, I've showed you the samurai Sudoku, but right now I will do the Medium Sudoku. Yeah, Medium Sudoku. This will be number, let me see. Let me zoom this. Zoom. Yeah. This will be 8314. 8314. Okay. 8314. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, a lot of 1s. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, there are only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the third column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Alright. So 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left, the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. Alright, and now then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the first column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. Then 8, 9, 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 8, 8. 6. Need a 6 here. Alright. So, yeah, I need to think. 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers in the first column is the number number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the first column could be here, or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. Right, 7. Yeah. Come on. Need a 6 here. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 in the third column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 8, 8. Let me see. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, need a 3 here. Then 6, 9, and need an 8 here, yeah. In this column, we need an 8 in this column. Well, here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8. 8. Alright. 3, 2, and I need a 5 here. Okay. 4, 4. 4. So I need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. That means need a 4 here. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. 4 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, then 3, 8, 1. Then. How about 2 and yeah, 3 in this last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. So here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 9 should be there. 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now here 2 missing numbers 6 and 9. Let me mark those. Here 1 box left in the no. Here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then need a 7 here. Alright. 7, 5. 7, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2. Come on. 7, 5, 5, 2, 5. Well, it will be difficult. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here 6, 9, and need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. So here 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a pair here, alright. 6, 9, 7, 5. 7, 5. I need a 5 here. Well. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. Oh, we already have a 2 here. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 now in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left, the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Same number, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, And then I goes there finished in 14 minutes. Well. Faster than 15 minutes, correct? Yes, it's a 1-star puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.